You type ping 192.168.11.2. Of course cannot ping, because I did not set the IP address on the router yet. Okay, so you have to set the IP address on the router. So this one is timeout. Okay, so you go to the router, open the router interface. Okay, let me bring it down here. Go to CLI. Okay, physical config CLI. Physical, you can on, you can off. Okay, config, the device is still booting because I on and off the system, it's exactly same as the real one. Go to CLI, command line interface. Okay, in command line interface, you click here. First, ask you, would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog? You just press no, enter. So press return to get started. So enter few times. You can see now I am in the router. Okay, so in router we have a different mode, like Linux operating system. If you work with Linux operating system, you know why it's a different mode. Okay, sometimes you are in the user mode, privilege mode, or administrative. Sometimes we call it administrative mode, right? So here I cannot do such much things. I can only view. Okay, when this one is like this is in user mode. If you want, so this is a user, I call it user mode. User mode is just view mode. I cannot do such things. If I want to do any configuration, the second one is privilege. Privilege mode. Okay, so how to get to privilege mode? I type enable. So if I type enable, few times I press enter, exactly, I will be in privilege mode. If I want to go back, I type exit. In Cisco packet tracer, okay, switches and routers, you can do the summarized command. Okay, instead of typing enable, you can type en. En also is same as enable. Okay, you type en or you type enable, same. So once you type enable, you are in privilege mode. All right, so then you have to go to the global mode. So we have three main mode. The third one is a global mode. So the global mode, you have to type configure terminal. Okay, so now you are in global mode. Yes, you have to type conft or configure terminal. Okay, or conft. Okay, so here I want to go to this interface. The interface is gigabit Ethernet 00. Okay, so I have to type interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0. So now I am in the interface, this interface. I want to give the address, IP address 192.168.10.1, subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Press enter. Okay, by default the link is down, so you have to make it up. You type no shutdown. no shutdown. You see this one become green color. Okay. So now you have to exit from this interface and you go to this interface. You type exit. And then you type interface, you see? Let me bring the screen. I put it like this and this one here. Okay. All right. So here I type interface. Inter. So if I press tab, it will automatically complete it. Okay. Oh, sorry. This one is interface. Inter. I press tab. You see, automatically will complete it. I type gigabit. Tab. Automatically will complete it. Then I put 0/1 because I want to go to the second interface and press enter. You see, few times enter. So clear, right? So now I put the IP address 192.168.11.1 255.255.255.0. Enter. No, you see, still is red color. Once I put no shutdown or no shut, this one changed to green color. So press enter. See, this one become green. Okay. So once it becomes green, you see green already. So now you can ping PC number 3. Command prompt ping. So now you can see, maybe first time it take a little bit time, and then the ping is successful, right? One more time, the ping is successful. So now it means this computer can talk to this computer, okay? And the connection is up. That's enough for today. Do you have any question, guys? So later, if you want to save it, oh, okay, there is one thing very important, guys. Maybe we need to save the configuration on the router, okay? Because if you off and on the router, all the information will be gone. There is one command. So I exit from the interface. I exit from here also. In the privilege mode, you have to type copy running config to startup config. Okay, that is a command to save the information on the router. Okay, sorry, copy running config to startup config. Okay, so that is very important to save. Yes, you can write do write also, no problem. Okay, I will teach you that one also for the time being, because later I want to explain about the running config and startup config. Okay, this is to save the information, to save the configuration on router. That is a command. Okay, I think I